Hello friends, we are here with another video, and this way we are trying to make something like this holding this nice ball, and it's a cute thing, a Pokemon look that we are creating, and the Pikachu wearing cap over here, and it's a Pokeball on the hand of this nice cute thing, and the colors here. Next, it's another thing that we will make, and this time we are giving this nice shape over here and a hand like this, and this is a nice cute kitty shape we are trying to make over here, and a very cute drawing that we have made, and it's a lovely innocent face with the lovely eyes. We have made such a nice cute kitty. Next, it's another thing that we will make, and this is the shape we have given with the ears over here, and this is the lovely lion here that we are trying to make here. Now we will make the legs and make something like this thing over here and a tail here, and it's a nice lion, happy lion that we will make this time, and this is how we have made a shape over here depicting the proper lion look over here. Next, it's another thing that we will make, and it's a lovely circular eyes we are trying to make first. A very cute drawing of a bird we are trying to make here, and this is how we have made the nice wings of this cute little bird over here, and over there the scenes and patterns with the lovely feathers of this nice cute peacock here. This is how we are spreading her feathers over here, and this is how we have created so beautiful feathers, decorating it out further and coloring it. Next is another shape that we have made with a nice ears and cute nose over here, so that it looks like a nice teddy bear shape over here, decorating it out and giving this nice shape and making something like this over here. This is how we have made a lovely teddy bear. Next, it's another drawing that we are making. This time it's a nice shark we are trying to create with a dangerous eye look over here, and the patterns here, the teeth over there. Next, we are creating another animal, and this time we are trying to make a nice camel face with big eyes here, and this is how we are making the camel more beautiful, a very cute camel thing over here with the bells in this thing, and this is how we have made such a lovely camel, and it's a nice leg we have created, and a lovely Rajasthan camel is here. Next, it's another thing that we are trying to make here, and this is the thing that we have drawn. A nice cute face over here with this nice big nose here, so that it looks like a nice Peppa Pig. But he is a very happy and cheerful right now. This is how we have made a nice sitting piggy.